Look at that, guys. Big old lure on that.
Yeah. Look at it. Aw, we're saving you, buddies. Aw. It is. There's a lot of line, too. We're saving you, Bubba's.
Here we are. The knife and the pliers.
You see him up there, Julie? Right
Maybe
there.
underneath.
Right there. Up top, yeah. Red hand.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a big lure, too. Jeez. You're alright, Bubba. He's alright.
That's alright. That's alright. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I know. It sucks. It sucks. I know. I know.
It's almost out. It's almost out. You want me to grab his beak almost? Or,
That's fine. I got that one out.
Yeah.
One more. I promise, and you'll be safe. Temporary pain for a great life, buddy. Temporary pain for a great life.
Almost done. There it is. Jeez. It's crazy. There it is. Great release. Whew.
There it is, guys. There's another bird saved. Look at this one. Big old swim bait. He definitely would have died. All this is wrapped up.